Hey guys, so this is how we're going to colorize our images that I recommend photographing with your smartphone. If you probably don't have a scanner, so just try to take a picture and go through the same motions. Remember, you should know how to clean up in Photoshop. You should know how to image trace in Illustrator. You should all have access to the Adobe software now for free. So take advantage of that. I just image trace this image and I will expand it, or I have expanded it. Remember that expanding, you can actually see the red highlighted lines. I just pulled it off the artboard just to show you what it looks like as an entire image traced and expanded. I've picked out a color and I've accessed my color guide panel in my panels on the right side. And I went to go to edit colors. Remember, it looks like a little, kind of like a pie piece. Actually, it looks like a miniature color wheel. And out of that, you can pick out a lot of different color rules or harmony rules. And I picked out left complementary here. And in the edit mode, I can adjust these just by dragging the main color choice, the color picker there. Now I can change it via this color wheel, but I can also change it using saturation, hue, or brightness there in those sliders. So after you pick a color, you can save the actual harmony as a group. And the great thing about that is that it will be saved in your swatches panel, so you can access it again. So now I have a color group in my swatches panel. I can access them. And I also, in my color guide panel, which I have above my swatches panel, I have access to all the tints and the shades of each one of those colors, which is nice. I'm going to access right now Live Paint Bucket. And I've actually torn off those tools, so I have access to all those tools now. But once I click on a color, actually, you know what I did? I have to select my design first, and then I can click on Live Paint Bucket, and then I can start to pick colors and start to fill in those colors into anywhere I want to. So exactly like I showed you before in class, it's exactly like coloring in a coloring book. So have fun using those colors that you picked. And it makes picking colors a whole lot easier. So I've colored this one, I finished it, and I'm gonna make a duplicate of this design with the color system and all. So I'm just gonna go to my artboard tool, copy over my design using Alt drag or Option drag. And with this selected, I can go back to edit colors, and look what I can do with this window open. I can actually change the color harmony rule, and it actually changes all of the colors that I picked based on that color system or that hue choice. So if you ever want to go through a lot of color choices really quickly, this is the way to do it. Have fun.